diventiate trasparenti.
Che mia moglie sì, mi prendo io.
Ma lei non fa tempo. Non ha
tempo, no? Basta un battente. No.
The documentary that you're working right now in Palo Alto is going on with. Thank you.
I've acted in some of the biggest blockbuster films. I've acted in movies that have been nominated or won Oscars. And I know what, both of those, and then I've acted in, horrible films. And I know what all of those things feel like. Now that I am going to direct films, what am I going to do? And I had this moment where I realized, well, if I'm going to make this effort, I already have a career as an actor. If I'm going to make this effort to be a director, I should really just do the movies that I want to make, that no other director that I'm working with is making.
State zitti, sta facendo il giro per tutti.
No 17-year-old girl needs more than a cup of coffee.
Is that your school costume, is it? Or is today a holiday no one bothered to tell me about? We're gonna change that right now. Come here.
What for?
Put the cup down and get over here.
What you after now, Jason?
Damn it, Quinn, you may think you can run over your grandmother, but I ain't her. I give you 10 seconds to get over here.
When it's 10 seconds, give me a whistle.
Che figo che ti sei, capisci l'italiano?
Great. Questa è quella vera.
È attore, regista teatrale, sceneggiatore, scrittore, produttore, videoartista, interprete di soap opera e molto altro ancora.
Il premio offerto da Gilles Lecoultre va a un regista che introduce creatività e innovazione nella sua arte, e quest'anno va a James Franco, che rappresenta tutto il significato del premio Gilles Lecoultre.
Thank you to the Venice Film Festival, and thank you so much for this award. My relationship with Venice is now 4 years old. This is my 4th time here. And this is a very special place for me. I love to come here because they show films that I take very seriously, and they treat very seriously. It shows that this is a place where I can come and show my very serious work, and I'm very, very grateful for all of that. So this is a home to me, and I'm so happy to be here again. Thank you.
Grazie per questo premio, ne sono onorato, e grazie al posto che amo veramente molto.
Okay. Thank you.